If you are here, you might be wondering, what is GSA? GSA is top-notch cutting-edge mineable digital currency, which is a digital form of cash or coin. The most common form of digital currency is held by banks and the central government. Unlike common digital currency or fiat currency, GSA does not have a central bank nor any organization controlling it. There are only 28 millions of GSA available, which is controlled by the blockchain process of mining. You might have heard of PayPal, Payza, Neteller, which rely on the traditional financial system for permission to transfer money and on existing debit or credit accounts. On the other hand, GSA is decentralized. Any two people, anywhere in the world, can send GSA to each other without the involvement of a bank, government, or other institution. Every single transaction, mining rewards, staking rewards involving GSA is tracked on the blockchain, which is publicly open, available for everyone, which is similar to a bank's ledger, or log of customers' funds going in and out of the bank. Unlike a bank's ledger, the GSA blockchain is distributed across the entire network. No company, country, or third party is in control of it, and anyone can become part of that network. There will only ever be 28 million GSA. This is digital money that cannot be inflated or manipulated in any way. It isn't necessary to buy an entire GSA coin. You can buy just a certain amount or mining GSA to be a part of the GSA community. It's your money, it's your way.